Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Never pass under loose signs, especially when there's a strong wind blowing. It's very dangerous.
Your next stop is the hospital! Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
To get the sand? I think he went to the beach.
No.
You ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy cloud.
Yes, soldier. Come on by Sergeant's surplus hut for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have two.
You will stay with my Uncle Topolino!
Luigi, Guido, get back!
Ven, tractorcito. Ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no. Ven aquí.
I'm not angry!
You know, you can use that anger to push through!
I said I'm not angry!
As dumb as you think we are.
But how did you...
Hey, siphoned your gas while you were passed out?
Hay que ir recto. ¡Ya oí suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't...
Puesto encontramos a Chick Hicks. Ha perseguido el título toda su carrera.
Chick creyó que este era su...
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. Share it right there. In the hood, right there.
Well, Stinky? Stickers?
Yes, Mater.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
If you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
Valuable dent? Oh, she's as crazy as Mater.
Those two are perfect for each other.
Something to drink. Stop at Flo's V8 Cafe. Finest fuel on Route 66.
No, we just...
Still working on that. And the best fitness regimen anyone could possibly imagine.
Wait.
First to take advantage. And just like that, folks, Francesco's lead is left in the dust.
En route. Trooper responding. Where's Mater? Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
Ce sont des pièces originales.
There you are.
Not my town, dope.
Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. I will...
going nowhere fast.
We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
If I wish and whoosh, I can be in James's photograph.
Thomas's wheels whir.
Get right front too.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's the way.
Hello, Faith! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a...
Wunderbar. With Finn McMissile gone, who can stop us now?